Hey guys, welcome back to the Artificer channel. Today I'm really excited to show you S Models limited edition kit that I found. These are not available as much as I would hope they would be. They are limited edition, so I'm not really sure how many are out there. But this is a Zippo Flamethrower M113 variant, the M132. And I was really excited to get hold of this from S Models because they always do a great job, especially with these unusual kits. They haven't disappointed. If you have a look on the back, it's going to be where the instructions are, which I found very unusual. But then again, if you wanted to, you could use the same instruction manual from your M113. Now, obviously, there you go, the same sort of configuration again with the running gear and also the body of the vehicle, and even the same photo etch in some areas. But the cool thing is, the Zippo Flamethrower turret. This is like a resin cast piece, which is so delicate and so unusual. And they also have given you a radio antenna which has been specially cast out of a die-cast metal, it feels like. And that's a really nice addition to the actual kit from the earlier M113. You only get one sprue with this, but trust me, it's worth it. It's exactly the same identical sprue to the M113 kit that they put out. Got really good detailing, hardly any flashing. Got the nice 50 cal there. This is the resin cast piece, and my goodness, is the detailing amazing on this thing. It's in a tiny little Ziploc bag. Again, you know how much I love my Ziploc bags. These things make life so much easier when you have really tiny detail. I was shocked by this. I mean, look at the resin casting quality. Absolutely amazing. What you've got is a nice O-ring for the turret. You've even got the hatch there for the back of the turret itself, and another smaller piece there which I think is the air intake, and you can just see it quite nicely. There's a lot of detailing. This is the turret where the flame would come out, and this is authentic to what it actually looked like. And it's even got hollowing on the inside, which I thought was amazing. So you don't have to worry about drilling into that thing. Now, you have to be so delicate and so careful. But I thought that was a really cool addition, which really made this whole kit exciting to want to build. Added to that, you've got this really unusual radio antenna, but this is a really nice addition. I really wish they would have added this to their M113 because I think it would have looked really nice. The PE parts are a little bit more complicated this time. You've got an O-ring which will take a lot of time and patience to build. Now, I haven't gone and built this yet, but I know that one false move and one of those little spindly parts can snap. Other than that, it's the exact same configuration as the last M113 kit, the same photo etch, but with a few slight variations. And they even give you some stars, because who doesn't love stars, right? But I've searched high and low on the internet for some really unusual decals, and I even found decals for this M132. I would absolutely recommend this kit. I think it's going to be exactly the same style of build as an M113, just with a different turret, but I think this will be a really great one to get hold of. So, until the next time guys, have a good one.